Okay, my name is Sydney, and this is Antonio, and he's going to be the kindergarten student that helps me with this lesson plan. We're just going to demonstrate the project for y'all. Our lesson is over negative feelings and healthy ways to respond to those feelings. So the supplies are going to be paper, scissors, and then markers or pens, okay? So Antonio, you're going to cut this paper into 4, okay, so you can cut along those lines. Okay, so for our project, we're going to do something, and this is an example. It's when I am feeling, and I need to, hold on, I'll fill them out for you, okay? And these, we're going to focus on negative feelings. So here's our poster with some examples of some negative feelings. So let me write your when I'm, or first, okay, when I. So what do you do when you have a negative feeling? What's something you do?
I am sad.
Okay, so when I am feeling sad, so put sad right here. So when you're sad, what do you do when you're sad? You said you cry. We said we cry, right? So when I cry, so C-R, cry, I am feeling sad. So what's a healthy response? What's something you could do?
I will help.
Help people. What? Help other people. That will make you less sad. Okay. So I need, here, you want me to write this one because it's long? I need to help others. That's a healthy response to being sad, right? Okay. So he did, when I cry, I am feeling sad. I need to help others.